Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can use ClearPay online. So using ClearPay online is quite easy. Now this is the ClearPay interface onto the application itself. You've got four buttons at the very bottom: Shop, Install, Rewards, My ClearPay, and we're going to go through each step. Shop allows you to see all of the shops around the ClearPay app and the ones that you're allowed. You've got Gymshark, Sports Direct, Vodafone and so on and so forth. You've got featured brands, most popular, feature collections, on sale, and so on and so forth. So basically anything that you need, you can find here. If you're looking for the in-store, you can press the in-store, press the get started, and find a location near you. You can press and continue, link in a payment method, and then set up to start shopping. If you want to get an in reward section, so here, you can press the reward section, and you can get 250 points to unlock platinum, and 100 points to unlock platinum, and you can unlock the next offer of 250 points when you get there. My ClearPay allows any accounts that you have on the ClearPay. So I've got an account Mimi, and I said paying for available to spend £350. So available to spend £350 within ClearPay, and that was with anyone that is looking to get a ClearPay account. And of course you will need to pay it back via your normal credit card or debit card. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.